Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you ever buried under a mountain of homework, staring at a blank page, with a project deadline looming? I know the feeling. It's stressful, and sometimes you just don't know where to start. Well, what if I told you there is a way to supercharge your workflow and get those assignments done in minutes, not hours? Today, we're diving into the world of AI tools and how you can use them smartly and ethically to help with your schoolwork. This isn't about cheating, it's about working smarter. First up, let's talk about brainstorming and outlining. This is often the hardest part, right? You can use an AI tool to generate a ton of ideas for your essay topic or project. Just type in your prompt, like discuss the impact of social media on teenage mental health, and watch the magic happen. The AI can give you different angles, key points to consider, and even structure a complete outline for you. This saves you so much time and gets your creative juices flowing. You can then pick the best ideas and organize them into a solid plan. Once you have your outline, it's time for the research phase. Instead of spending hours sifting through search results, you can ask an AI to summarize long articles or research papers for you. Just paste the text or link, and it will give you the key takeaways in seconds. This helps you quickly understand complex topics and find the information you need. You can even ask the AI to find sources or statistics related to your topic. Remember to always double-check these sources for accuracy and cite them properly in your work. Now for the writing part, let's be clear. You should never just copy and paste what an AI generates. That's plagiarism, and it won't help you learn. Instead, use AI as a writing assistant. If you're stuck on a paragraph, you can ask it to rephrase your sentences for better clarity or suggest stronger vocabulary. You can also use it to generate a first draft based on your outline, and then you go in and make it your own. Add your personal insights, your voice, and your analysis. Think of it as a collaboration. The AI provides the raw material, and you provide the critical thinking and polish. Finally, after you've written your assignment, AI tools are incredible for editing and proofreading. They can catch grammar mistakes, spelling errors, and awkward phrasing that you might have missed. This ensures your final submission is polished and professional. So there you have it. From brainstorming to final edits, AI can be a powerful partner in your academic journey. It's all about using these tools responsibly to enhance your own learning and productivity. Try it out on your next project and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.